Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm excited to share with you how to import list of inventory in QuickBooks Desktop. So, let's get started. First, open QuickBooks Desktop. Go to the File menu at the top left corner and select Utilities. From the drop-down menu, choose Import and then Excel Files. A new window will pop up. Now, select the Advanced Import option. This will allow you to map your Excel columns to QuickBooks fields. Click on Browse to locate your Excel file containing the inventory list. Once you've selected the file, click Open. Next, choose a sheet in the Excel workbook. After that, click on the Mapping button and choose Yes. In the Map Data window, map the columns from your Excel file to the corresponding QuickBooks fields. Make sure to match fields like item name, description, quantity, cost, and sales price. After mapping the fields, click Save and then Import. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.